Hey guys, Lyle at CNS Corvettes. Quick follow-up video to our C6 automatic shifter repair harness how-to video here. We've had several comments from some of the people installing this part, and man, there's been a lot of them. It's sold really well, and we're very happy. Thank you so much for your support, and I'm happy it's working for you. But there is one stumbling block that people are having a hard time with, and it's through no fault of their own, and it's through no fault of the video, and that is getting this, which is the 12-volt port in your console, out and unplugged. So normally the way this works is there's the white plug here has a little tab right here that you should press down on, and that should release the plug and it should pull out. Well, it doesn't, because the plastic's gotten brittle over the years, and this tab has broken so that the locking tooth in that little hole right there, and I've got, you'll see pictures up here that I'll show you how to do this. So while pinching that tab isn't going to get it loose, you're actually going to need to take a small screwdriver and press down right here, as I'm showing you in this picture, on this tab. Depress that tab. While you're pressing it in, pull out on the plug, and that will unplug it. When you're done with your job and you're ready to put it back together, you can just plug the plug back in. There's no extra stuff required to do that. So again, go back to the picture here. Here's the plug. You'll see where I'm pointing here with the pen is the tab that's broken. Where I'm pointing here with the pen is the little lock tooth that you need to push down on with your small screwdriver while pulling the plug out. That should solve the only problem we've had with this install. If you have other problems, don't hesitate to email us. Our email is in the link below. Thank you for watching, and we'll keep working on new stuff for you. Have a good day.